In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download NBA app on Android. We'll use the official Google Play Store, so the process is quick, safe, and straightforward. By the end, you'll have the NBA app ready to go on your phone. Before we jump in, here's what the app is great for. You can watch live games if you have NBA League Pass, follow real-time scores and detailed stats, catch highlights right after the action happens, and stay updated with daily news, standings, and videos. It's a powerful companion for game days and a handy way to stay plugged into the season wherever you are. A quick note on requirements. The NBA app usually needs Android version 7.0 or higher. Most modern phones meet this, but if your device is older, you may see a notice that it isn't compatible. A stable internet connection helps the download go smoothly, and having a bit of free storage space is useful so the install doesn't stall. Let's get it installed. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. On the home screen of the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top, type NBA app, and look for the official listing from NBA Digital. You'll recognize it by the NBA logo and the developer name indicating it's the official release. Tap the listing to open the app page. Now, tap Install. The download time can vary based on your connection, so give it a moment to finish. Once the install completes, tap Open to launch the app right away. You'll see the home screen populate with scores, highlights, and the latest news. From there, you can browse freely. Live game streaming will prompt you for NBA League Pass if you want to watch in real time. A quick safety tip while you're here: always download the NBA app from the Google Play Store. This helps you avoid fake or harmful copies found on third-party sites. Double-check the developer name shows NBA Digital, and feel free to glance at ratings and recent reviews for extra confidence that you've got the official app. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the NBA app on Android using the recommended method through Google Play. Enjoy tracking real-time scores and stats, catching highlights, and keeping up with daily news and standings. And if you decide to dive into live games, League Pass is ready when you are. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the season.